Winter storms are no match for the greatest gas-powered snowblowers designed to handle even the most extreme conditions. From zippy single-stage push versions for light, regular snowfall to heavyweight two-stage self-propelled giants that munch through ice and plow-packed driveways, this list has something for everyone. We'll look at features like powerful engines, wide clearing tracks, adjustable steel augers, joystick chute controls, and self-propelled designs that make pushing hundreds of pounds of snow appear straightforward. Whether you prefer raw power, precision control, or dependability in heavy snow, these snowblowers are designed to get you through the winter quickly, safely, and with little back-breaking work. Number 7. Craftsman SB650. If you live somewhere where winter likes to show off, the Craftsman SB650 seems like a machine designed to fight back. The first thing you notice is the push-button electric start, which means no more dealing with a frozen pull wire on frigid mornings. Its three-stage mechanism is the true star here. The front augers break up packed snow and ice, the second stage pulls it in, and the third stage accelerator propels it far away from you. That makes it particularly effective at chomping through the nasty, icy mounds left by the plow at the end of the driveway. It's self-propelled with numerous forward and backward speeds, so you're not pushing nearly 300 pounds of steel, though its weight may make it feel a little heavy in small areas. Power steering is really useful, allowing you to turn with a light touch, and single-hand control is a pleasant convenience because it frees up your other hand to aim the chute. Speaking of which, the expanded chute and four-way joystick control make it simple to place snow precisely where you want it. The large 28-inch clearing path and lofty input result in fewer passes and less time in the cold, while the adjustable skid shoes are friendly on concrete. On the negative, it lacks heated handles and is large enough to require some forethought for storage and maneuvering. Nonetheless, with its powerful engine, substantial snowbreaking capability, and intelligent controls, it feels like a solid winter workhorse designed to endure the hardest storms with little trouble. Number 6. Ego Power. The Ego Power Plus 28-inch two-stage snowblower appears to be a modern solution for dealing with heavy winter snow, free of the usual noise and pollutants. What sticks out is how powerful it is for a cordless machine. It has a dual battery configuration to power a robust steel auger, which can eat through deep, heavy snow and send it flying a long distance, which is very useful when attempting to keep roads and pathways clean without piling snow back where you don't want it. The wide 28-inch clearing path and lofty intake mean you can get more done in fewer passes, and the variable speed self-propelled motor lets you choose the pace to your liking. Using it is quite comfortable, the heated grips are a minor pleasure that you quickly come to appreciate, and the trigger-controlled steering and power assist make turning a lot easier. The electronic joystick chute control is smooth and precise, making it easy to aim the snow even when wearing gloves. Bright LED lights and large, sticky tires make it easier to work early in the morning or in dirty situations. However, it does not include batteries or a charger, so you must already be a member of the Ego ecosystem or plan accordingly. While it is lighter and easier to operate than much gas-powered equipment, it can still work the batteries hard in exceptionally deep or wet snow. Still, for a quiet, powerful, and feature-rich snowblower that feels modern and easy to use, it hits an outstanding balance. Number 5. Ego Power Plus Peak Power. If you're tired of dealing with loud, smoky gas machines every winter, the Ego Power Plus Peak Power 56-volt two-stage snowblower will seem like a breath of fresh, cold air. This 24-inch self-propelled beast is designed to tackle heavy snow, and it feels more like driving than pushing it. Because of its peak power technology and dual battery design, it can chew through thick, packed snow and toss it a long distance, making rapid work of the piles left behind by the plow. The 20-inch intake height and two-stage construction ensure that it digs in and clears deep, persistent drifts rather than simply skimming the surface. Using it is quite comfortable. The variable speed drive allows you to move forward or backward at your own pace, and the joystick-controlled chute allows you to precisely direct the snow. The auger speed is also adjustable, which is useful when moving from light powder to heavy, wet snow. 4 brilliant LED headlights are a lifesaver in the early morning or late evening, and the push-button start eliminates the need to tug cords in frigid weather. On the other hand, it's a large, sturdy machine that takes up room and weighs a bit. However, the solid design provides it a rooted, confident sensation when cutting through deep snow. Overall, it's a powerful, modern snowblower that trades gas emissions for silent, clean operation without sacrificing clearing capability. Number 4. Cobalt Gen 4 40-volt. The Cobalt Gen 4 40-volt 21-inch snowblower appears to have been designed for folks who seek a quick, uncomplicated, and drama-free winter cleanup experience. It's a single-stage push-pull style, but don't be fooled, it includes a high-efficiency brushless motor and dual battery cells that provide more power than you'd anticipate. It's built to manage ordinary snowfall, particularly up to 6 inches, and the 21-inch clearing width makes it simple to clear roads and sidewalks in only a few passes. The steel-reinforced rubber auger does a nice job of biting into snow, and the variable speed control lets you decide how aggressively you want to throw it. One of the best features is how simple it is to use. The push-button start eliminates difficulty in the cold, and the LED light bar is useful when cleaning early in the morning or after dark. The chute spins 180 degrees, allowing you to easily aim where the snow goes, and the joystick-style control makes modifications quick and easy. It's also quite lightweight, making it simple to transport and store, especially with a quick fold handle. Of course, as a single-stage push machine, it is not designed for deep, heavy plow piles or large storms. You'll also have to push yourself, which is okay for little sections, but can seem like work on longer drives. Still, for regular snowfall and everyday use, it hits an excellent balance between power, convenience, and ease of use. Number 3. Ego Power Plus 56V. The Ego Power Plus 56V 21-inch snowblower is one of those machines that makes you forget you're not using gasoline at all. From the moment you press the start button, it feels powerful, slick, and ready to operate. Ego's peak power technology allows it to use 2 batteries at once, giving it the muscle to eat through heavy, wet snow as well as the crusty mess left behind by the plow. The steel auger is an important part of that. It digs into ice and packs snow with confidence, and the variable auger speed allows you to control how far you throw it, up to an astonishing distance. The 21-inch clearing width is an ideal compromise. It's big enough to clear a driveway quickly while being compact and easy to use. It's a push-style, single-stage machine that weighs a little over 60 pounds but feels robust and easy to use. The 2 bright LED spotlights are a minor but nice addition for early morning or late-night cleanups, and the joystick chute control makes snow aiming simple and intuitive. The construction also seems sturdy with a mix of steel and heavy-duty composite that's clearly designed to withstand harsh winters. However, because it is a single-stage push-driven blower, it is not as easy to operate as a large self-propelled 2-stage piece of equipment, particularly in very deep or heavy drifts. However, for most driveways and regular storms, it strikes an excellent blend of real power, quiet operation, and everyday practicality. Number 2. Toro Power Max. The Toro Power Max 24-inch 2-stage snowblower is the type of machine you use when winter gets serious. It's powered by a powerful 212cc engine and seems ready to take on deep, heavy, and even frozen snow with ease. With a 24-inch clearing width and a towering 20-inch intake, it doesn't simply nibble at your driveway, it takes huge, confident bites and completes the job quickly. It's surprisingly easy to manage for such a heavy-duty equipment because it's self-propelled and has numerous forward and backward speeds, and you can tailor the pace to the type of snow you're dealing with. Toro's quick stick control is a notable feature, allowing you to alter the chute direction and angle with a single smooth, one-handed action. It seems insignificant, but when you're in the middle of clearing a large area, it makes a major difference. The steel auger and robust chute appear to be constructed to last, and the anti-clogging technology effectively keeps snow going rather than piling up inside. Instead of employing shear pins, the machine is programmed to block the engine if something substantial gets in the path, perhaps saving you from destroying parts. On the downside, it's a large, heavy machine that you can't easily move or store in a small place. It also lacks other features such as headlights and heated grips. Still, if you want raw, steady power for heavy snow, this feels like a workhorse you can rely on all winter. Number 1. Ariens Classic. The Ariens Classic 24-inch 2-stage snowblower feels like a no-nonsense machine designed to do one thing well: move a lot of snow without complaining. It's driven by a 212cc Ariens AX engine, and you can feel its power the moment it begins eating through thick, wet snow or the icy mess at the end of the driveway. The 24-inch clearing width and towering 20-inch input allow it to accept large bites, so you don't have to make continuous passes. Being self-propelled with different forward and reverse speeds is also beneficial, particularly when working on longer or slightly inclined driveways. The steel auger and chute provide a robust, old-school, built-to-last finish. It throws snow a long distance and continues to move even when the circumstances are difficult. The controls are straightforward and mechanical, with a crank to turn the chute and a lever to change the pitch. The simplicity adds to the appeal, but it also highlights some of the drawbacks. There are no headlamps or heated grips, and it is a big machine, making it difficult to move or store in compact locations. It's also evident the muscle comes before comfort or polish. While many users like how sturdy and straightforward it is, a few have reported reliability or setup troubles, so keep that in mind. Still, if you want a professional, strong snowblower that prioritizes strength, longevity, and performance in deep snow, this one is ideal. And there you have it, the best gas-powered snowblowers ready to face winter winter's worst. These blowers, which range from nimble single-stage machines for light snow to powerful two-stage beasts that chew through deep, frozen drifts, are designed to save your back and accelerate snow removal. Each one provides a distinct combination of strength, control, and dependability, so whether you value precision, raw power, or ease of use, there's something for every driveway. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe and join the Legit Pick community for more honest reviews, advice, and product roundups.